GTP, high quality parts at the best price.
Hi there, I am Andrea from Global Tractor Parts, and today I will talk about our hydraulic filter. This filter is a component used to continuously remove contaminants in the hydraulic oil. This process will purify the hydraulic fluid and protect the system from damages created by particle contents. In brief, this filter helps to remove particles and dirt from the oil on a continuous basis. This filter fits TNS series, TB series, and TS series. Remember, you can find this filter and much more at globaltractorparts.com. Thanks for watching!
Hello GTP friends, welcome to a new unboxing video.